Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee, and I'm about to install this wig with y'all. Now, I definitely left everything how it was from jump because the braids are struggling. Everything's a struggle. My leave out playing in my face, but this is how I install my wig. It's gonna be a voiceover because it is definitely the ass crack of dawn. Okay, but here we go. Let's start. All right. This is the Unice V-part wig. This is me installing it after day like 7, I think. I did cold wash it because it was giving doll hair smell, and it got stronger after I, pulled it out and stuff. You've seen the unboxing. If not, go back to the unboxing. All that jazz is there. So, typically what I do is comb it out, front and inside. And then, this is me stressed out because this wig has been stressing me out on how to put this on the right way. So it has 5 combs in the front. And that one is really in the middle. And then it has 2 combs on the side. Okay? So all those combs were stressing me out. I had to figure this shit out, okay, y'all? Let me know in the comments what is the proper way, because listen, I don't really know. But let's get into these struggle braids. So if you get you a V-part wig, make sure you measure twice so you only have to braid once. So my anchor braids looking real scary because I pulled out more hair when I did my initial braid out because I thought I could have like leave out on the side and leave out on the top. A lot of leave out on the top, where, honey, when I said the V part is slim, it's slim. So make sure you measure your, look at them, struggle braids. Woo-wee. Listen, it's crazy. I ain't seen the back of my head since I braided it. But anyway, make sure you measure twice so you only got to braid once. So typically what I've been doing is I pull my leave out down because it will get caught in them combs. And let me just tell you, I was tired of pulling my hair every time I tried to put these combs into the braid because, again, the leave out portion is slim. Look how, like, you don't need to pull out a lot of hair at all. But those combs, baby, unforgiving, okay? So what I've been doing is put in the 2 combs at the top. I mean, if I could get it together. Come on, girl. 2 combs at the 2 side combs and the 2 combs at the top. Those are the ones that I've been using, and obviously the comb in the back because, I mean, it's a given. Sometimes I use that comb in the middle. So basically that one clips to the middle of your head, and then the other 4 go through the sides of the V part. So you should want to have a braid the length of that so the 2 combs can go in. But since my braids were a little jacked, I only used the front 2 combs. And yeah, basically you open the comb and then you slide it into your braid like that, like so. Even my hair grew out in this little bit of time. And if y'all hear my AC, y'all know where I live at. It's Texas, it's hot. You close your comb, and then I take my comb from the side, like that, like so. If you can see it, yeah, there you go. Boom. And then that goes to my front anchor braid that I braided down. Sometimes when my braid was tight, I guess, it was hurting so bad. I know why the girls be ripping their wigs off as soon as they get in the car. Cause baby, them combs, they did my scalp dirty a little bit. So open that comb again for like we did on the other side. plop it into that braid as best as you can. Sometimes you gotta pull the wig back and down afterwards because, whew. Also, that back strap, I had no clue what to do, but that does tighten up your wig because mine was a little too big and it was giving bulky, and I ain't like that. I still think I could go down a size or even maybe tighten that up, or it could just have been my braid down. I don't know. So this is me just readjusting that comb because it was hurting. It was hurting. So then I just pull the wig down so it's not like high because I didn't flip all the combs. Sometimes it moves around. Now I'm just fixing the back comb, sticking that in, making sure the strap tight, and then I'm gonna just comb her out. You know what I'm saying? Slight, not too wild, real quick. Like I'm a pro. I do like this wig. The pros is that it does blend with your hair nicely. It does. The con is that it sheds. Those combs is a con too, but I just think I'm not used to it. And maybe if I wore it more, I could probably get used to it. But because I'm a sew-in girl, I'm not used to having to take my hair off every day. But it was very easy to put back on once I got the hang of it. Now I'm just parting my hair because when I take the wig off, I usually comb that part out because my hair in this humidity, I think it's time for me to do another relaxer because I did one last year and I haven't done one since, but it's looking like it's time again because that humidity be killing my hair. As you can see, the wave pattern is waiting, okay? So then I just, apply some heat to my real hair so it can be more flat because I'm a flat hair girl. Like, I like my hair flat. So I think because I like my hair flat, I'm gonna switch to a U-part wig because it's a little more forgiving. That B part is right at my leave out, so it's not giving it a chance for it to be like flat. So I think I'm gonna try a U-part because it's a little further down, and it'll give my hair a chance to be like a little flatter because I like flat. Now, don't get me wrong. If this was more, if I had like actually curled, which I might do to this, if I actually curled this hair, like put a quick like beach wave curls or something, that little hump probably wouldn't bother me that much. But because I wanted to wear it straight, it was given not black, but it looks natural. It's cute. I would definitely recommend. I'm giving this wig a good 8 out of 10 because that shedding is quite annoying. And then also, quick tidbit, I got the 14-inch, but I trimmed it because it was only given, the front was a 14, it was given the front pieces was a little longer than the back pieces, so I just trimmed it up so it's all the same length, basically. But really, all right now I'm just curling and, well, not curling, but like blending my hair with the weave because the ladies, make sure you curl a piece of your hair with a piece of the weave because that's how you get it to blend better. Stop curling it on top of the weave and thinking that it's gonna blend in. It's gonna sit on top of the weave. Pick a piece of the weave up with your hair when you curl it, and it fuses it together, okay? I am indeed as tired as I look. When I say it was ass crack of dawn, it was ass crack of dawn, okay? But this is how it looks. Super cute, very lightweight. It's not a heavy wig at all. But this Texas heat with a wig, baby. All choices don't be smart, okay? But super cute, will keep, will recommend. If you are a person who like a minimum leave out, this is for you, okay? This is for you. Super cute though. 9 out of 10 would recommend. I'll put the link in the bio, in the description, not the bio, where I'm at. I'll put the link in the description so y'all can get the wig, see what I'm talking about. But other than that, it's been real. It's your girl B. Base.